Good afternoon everyone. Magandang tanghali sa inyong lahat dito sa TikTok. Ayan, nag-prepared ako ng merienda. Hot chocolate, mainit na tsokolate, and yung suman sa Pilipinas. I think ang pangalan nito is sumang ibus ba to? I think so. Yung nakabalot nito ng coconut tree leaves. Wrapped around with coconut tree leaves. It's a glutinous rice with coconut, or this one is plain. So usually we partner this with cocoa jam, or caramelized brown sugar, muscovado. So arnibal na asukal. So this is a very old Filipino tradition desserts or merienda, and we call this suman sa ibus. This is also good to eat it with sweet ripe mango. It's somewhat similar to Thailand as mango sticky rice, but this is how we prepared ours in the Philippines. We wrapped it around with the coconut leaves like this, and then when you're gonna eat it, you're just gonna unwrap it. This was cooked uh, with steam, steamer, and this is best partnered with hot chocolate. This you can eat it any time of the day, but mostly we have this in the Philippines. Almusal, desayuno, merienda also in the middle of the day. And this is the best partner: hot chocolate, sticky rice, and then if you have some cocoa jam or caramelized sugar or sweet mango and coconut milk. All right, I've been craving for this for a very long time. I'm gonna eat it with passion. All right, you guys, thank you for watching. Have a good afternoon.